With no end to the opposition-led indefinite blockade in Bangladesh, public anger is growing by the day. The ruling Awami League has called for the arrest of Bangladesh Nationalist Party Supremo Begum Khalida Zia for disrupting the country.
The nationwide shutdown enforced by the BNP completed its 17th day on Thursday amid isolated incidents of violence. The party is also observing a 48-hour anti-government general strike in capital Dhaka. Bangladesh's ruling Awami League on Thursday held demonstrations against BNP's continued blockade. They called for an immediate end to the shutdown, which is affecting the economy of the country. Nearly 30 people have been killed in the opposition-led violence since early this month. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina had on Wednesday suggested that it would be logical to arrest Zia, who instigated the violence. Her Awami League said Zia should be held responsible for the deaths of innocent civilians during the forced shutdown.
বিএনপি জামাতের শীর্ষ নেতা বেগম খালেদা জিয়া দায়ী, পরিষ্কার বলতে চাই। আমাদের প্রত্যেকের প্রতি আহ্বান থাকবে, আমরা আসুন পাড়ায় মহল্লায় এদের বিরুদ্ধে প্রতিরোধ গড়ে তুলি।
The 20-party alliance led by Zia's BNP has enforced the blockade to pressurize the government to declare fresh elections under a non-partisan caretaker administration.